What's up, YouTube? So you see Gevons over here. We about to change all 4 brakes on the car. He got a little squeaky squeak, so let's fixy fix. Holla, John in a sec. So we're talking to what he said he would have Crown Vic this car. So that means it would have had 1 wheel peel. It would have been on those 17s doing a burnout. And that one little tire would be wore out and the other one would be healthy as hell. Alright, but yeah, like I said, we about to do the brakes on his 5th gen 1415 body Camaro. So y'all saw in the video when he bought this car, it took like 37 days to get it. Not the shipping, just all the paperwork part. Yeah, cause we went one day, couldn't get it, and then he went the next day and got it. Yeah, so you know, we was all expected to have the car here that Friday night, but nope, couldn't get it. So it's here, it exists. So it's about to get some brakes done, and then also with that being said, there's some stuff that's about to be shipped out. So let's get to knocking these. All right, guys. So first thing first, you need something small that's gonna fit in this hole to knock this pin out. So I'll show y'all an example. Boom. So now you see this part is hanging out. So what I do is I do this and I pry up against it. Same with the bottom. And just get it out enough. Or you just pull it straight out like that. Drop it. Now these are kind of different. So what you could do is, I'm not even sure if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a try. Cause we might be able to push them. Nah, I'll just do this. This may not work either, but we'll make it work. Push the pistons back in. All right, pistons push back in. Now they slide out. These are really not that bad, but this is more of a peace of mind thing. But they squeak, so it's probably one of the cheaper pads just to get it knocked out. Also, just so I can make sure that it's all compressed back in, I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna unbolt the caliper from the bracket, and then we're gonna press them back in. So where is this bolt? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, I don't think these have ever been taken out, so it's still got the factory Loctite on them. Well, I'm just gonna use the impact gun on that one. All right, so I used the big gun to unloosen this big one, the one that's sitting right behind this brake line. So we're gonna try to get this one out. Is the battery dead going dead? No, it's saying it's full. Well, it does have Loctite on the back of this, so. There's one. Got that. And then we're gonna flip this that way. And then we're just gonna, instead of unratcheting it, we'll do it this way. Get it in there. Come on now, there we go. All right, let me get this thing down and I'll get right back with y'all. All right, so got it on here. Now, let's make sure we got the pistons all the way down. All the way back, release it, the opposite direction, and then I'll just let it fall through. Oh, well, give it a sec, take some more slack off of it. Now let it fall through. Boom, that's done. Repeat on the last one, back to that. So now, the rear is slightly different, but not enough to, like, you know, be that much different. But oh, and I would have sucked if I would have punched myself. Ugga dugga. And ugga dugga. There we go. Got that done. Use the ratchet. I know better than that. Probably should use the short socket, but I'll do that on reinstall. Got that one out. Definitely gonna do. I'll just unscrew it by hand. Well, actually, you know what? Missed a step. Knock the pin out. And that way, all of it just drop out. Alright, so now undo this bolt, wiggle it around, give me some slack to get it out. Boom. Now just do this. Whoop-de-doo. They both just drop right on out. All right, and then get the caliper compressor, or the piston compressor. This one doesn't fit in here exactly the way that I would like it to, but we're gonna finesse it. We're gonna make it work. This is on loosen still. Give me just a sec. So let's knock it down. Now to reinstall everything new. Guys, so now it's time for reassemble. So I don't feel like having to go to get a bigger thing of this, so I'm gonna try to make this work. But there's two different ways you can do this. So you can bolt it back up. Really you didn't have to unbolt it, but I just like to, because trying to sit here and press in one side and the other side comes out. why not press both of them in at the same time? But that's me. So there's other ways you could do this. I mean, also you can look at another YouTube video. But so either you can put the caliper back onto the vehicle and slide the pads in, or since the pistons are already in, you could just go ahead and slide the, I'll tell you what, I'll show you both ways. So let me get this prepped and then we'll go from there. So look, we'll just slide this one in. And I haven't put the lube on it, so I'm just showing y'all for right now. You can do it like this. Put these both in. Slide the pin in. Now, push that up. Oh, give it a sec. Okay. Do it just like this. Let's just say that's in all the way. And let's put this side in as well. Okay. And then you could just slip it on like that. Or, like I said, you can just put the caliper on, bolt it back down. You know, you can keep it loose, so you can wiggle and then slide it back in and do that. But we're gonna just do it this way. Give me a sec and I'll get right back with y'all. Okay, so all I did was I just pushed the pin in just a little bit more so it can go into this hole. And now I'm just gonna do that. And also what I can do is I could slide this old weird thing in. This thing is so weird to me. But I'm gonna have to pull that pin out, that bottom one. Give me a sec. If I can get the damn thing out. There we go. That's in there. Put that right there. Slide that in there. Now come back in. Across. Now, once I put it back on, then I'm gonna reposition. There we go. Reposition the pins. So let me just put this in here, let it hang. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna come and grab my little tool and my flathead. All right. So now, let's get this in the hole. There we go. That in there. That's in there. So now, let's knock it in. That's in. I'm gonna knock it in some more here in just a sec. But let me put these bolts in and get the thing back. Talk to y'all in a sec. All right, well, this side is done. This is supposed to happen because I've compressed the pistons all the way in. So once we get it done all the way around, we'll push it in and then it's gonna slide in. And then they're gonna tighten up. So let me get done with the others. Since I basically told you the two different ways how to do this. Let me get done with them and then we'll compress them before the sun goes down. All right, well, we're done with the brakes. You gonna scoot over the front? Go to your right, and then make a left. So we're finna go and put my battery on the charger because I think the way that my amp is set up and how they had it bolted onto the little terminal thing that's on my battery, it continuously runs and it drains the battery. So we're about to go knock that out real fast, and then we're gonna do the brake embedding. The street that the O'Reilly's is on is really good for that, so we'll go do that. All right, so we're here. We're at O'Reilly's. So I'm about to drop my battery off, and bro, that thing is real. But yeah, like I said, we're about to drop it off and then go test the brakes. But let me go right in here. All right, so we're about to embed the brakes. So we're gonna do 60 to 20, 60 to 20, 60 to 20. Get up to 60. All right, 1, 2, 3, get on the brakes. Now, go. You gonna do it again. And now brakes. Stay on them, stay on them, stay on them, stay on them. Now go, 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 go. All right, come on, come on. Before we get to this light. And get on them. All right, let's make a right. Make a right. I know people probably like, what's going on? All right, pull in anywhere. You head the right way. You got the green. All right, well, you can smell them. They smoking a little bit, but you can smell them. So, and then we're gonna do a 40 to 10 on the way back. But we're gonna let this cool off about 5-10 minutes. Let it cool off, and then you do the 40 to 10. Then you should be good to go.